Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Here we will discuss how to pin the recent visited items in Dynamics 365 customer engagement. So this is the Dynamics 365 UCI screen. Here you will find there is a recent option and there is pinned option. In pinned option you will find something a message like pin items from your recent list to quickly find them. But so there is no pins right now. So if you go to recent items, here there is a brief list of all the records that you have visited recently. So if you want to pin any one of these items from this recent list, you can mouse over on the list and in the left side you will find a pin symbol. If you pin the item, then that will be moved to the pinned options. If you expand the pinned option, you will find the views here. So you will directly refer the pinned items instead of going to respective entities. And if you want to unpin, then you can simply click the left side icon in the pinned items to show that it will be removed from your list. So that's all. So this is the trick of pinning and items from recent items. So thank you for watching.